Society trends, cultures, issues, and challenges. 2.1 Impact of Information Technology in Society.
Imagine a world without the internet, without smartphones, without the vast digital landscape we've come to know as information technology. Seems impossible, doesn't it? This is the power and the impact of IT in our society. In not so distant past, society functioned quite differently. Communication took days or even weeks with letters transported over miles of land and sea. Libraries were the primary source of knowledge, housing thousands of books. Businesses relied heavily on manual record keeping. Then came the information technology revolution, a wave that swept over every aspect of our life. Communication became instantaneous. Knowledge no longer required a library card, but just a few clicks. Businesses transformed, with data becoming their most valuable resource. Gone are the days when waiting was a norm. Today, waiting is an exception. Before, a letter would take days to reach its destination. Now, an email can be sent and received within a seconds. Irrespective of the distance, knowledge has been democratized. Libraries, while still valuable, are no longer the sole gatekeepers of information. The Internet, a product of information technology, has become the world's largest library, accessible to anyone with a connection. Businesses have seen perhaps the most significant transformation. Data drives decision, with information technology enabling the collection, analysis of interpretation of vast amount of information in real time. Before, business relied institution on experience. Now, they thrive on the data and insight. Yet with all these advancements, there are trade-offs. Privacy has become luxury, with data breaches and identity theft becoming increasingly common. The digital divide has widened, creating a chasm between those with access to IT and those without. And while information is more accessible, so too is misinformation, leading a new age of digital deceit. In conclusion, while information technology has undoubtedly revolutionized our society, it does came within its own set of challenges. It has made life faster and more efficient, connected us in ways unimaginable before, and transformed business. However, it has also raised issues around privacy, access, and the quality of information. As we continue to navigate this digital landscape, it's crucial to remember the power of information technology. It's not just about the tool we use, but how we use them and the impact they have on our society. The challenge lies not in using IT, but in using it wisely. Because as the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility.
Automation in Information Technology.
Could the future of information technology be a world where machines and software handle every task, leaving humans to strategize and innovate? Indeed, the advent of automation in IT seems to be steering us towards this intriguing possibility. Consider the case of Alphatech, a global technology firm that was grappling with an enormous amount of data. The company was dealing with a daily influx of information from their worldwide operations, making it a challenge for their IT team to process and analyze this data efficiently to solution automation. Alphatech implemented an advanced automation system that could handle routine data processing tasks, freeing up their IT team to focus on strategic initiatives. This system was capable of analyzing patterns, identifying anomalies, and even predicting future trends based on historical data. The results were transformative. AlphaText saw a significant reduction in processing time, from several days to just a few hours. The accuracy of their data analysis improved as well, eliminating the risk of human error. But perhaps the most notable benefit was the increase in productivity amongst their IT team. With the burden of mundane tasks lifted, they could now dedicate their time and energy towards innovation and problem solving. This is just one example of how automation is revolutionizing the IT industry. It's not about replacing humans, but rather augmenting human capabilities. It's about machines taking care of the tedious, repetitive tasks so that humans can do what they do best, think and innovate.
Influence of IT on culture and social behavior.
Our story begins in the mid 20th century when the first computer systems were introduced. These large room-sized machines were accessible only to a select few, mostly scientists and academics. However, even then, the potential of these machines to revolutionize society was evident. As we move into the 70s, the advent of personal computers started to shift the paradigm. Suddenly, computing was not just the realm of the elite, but something that could be part of everyday life. This democratization of technology began to subtly alter our social fabric. Fast forward to the 90s, and the internet exploded into the scene. Communication and information exchange underwent a metamorphosis. We transitioned from a culture of local communities to a global village. The internet enabled us to connect, share, and learn in ways previously unimaginable. We began to form virtual communities, transcending geographical boundaries. The turn of the millennium saw the rise of social media. Sites like Facebook and Twitter changed the way we interacted with each other. We started sharing more of our lives online, leading to a culture of transparency and instantaneous communication. This era also saw the emergence of cyberbullying and online harassment, a dark side of the digital age. As we move into the 2010s, smartphone became ubiquitous. Now we have the power of the internet in our pockets. This led to an always-on culture, where work and play could happen anytime, anywhere. It also led to a rise in digital addiction and mental issues, highlighting the need for digital wellness. In the 2020s, we are seeing the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are starting to influence our decisions, from what we buy to who we date. They are reshaping our culture in profound and often invisible ways. So, to summarize, the influence of IT on culture and social behavior has been profound and transformative. From the advent of personal computers democratizing technology, to the internet creating a global village, to social media changing how we interact, to smartphone creating an always-on culture, to AI influencing our decision, it has continuously reshaped our society. However, this journey has not been without its challenges. Issues such as cyberbullying, digital addiction, and the invincible influence of AI highlight the need for the thoughtful engagement with technology. As we continue to navigate this digital age, it's crucial to remember that technology is a tool, and it's up to us to use it wisely and ethically.
Trends in information technology.
Ever pondered about the future of information technology? Or the significance of keeping pace with the ever-evolving IT trends? In the vast realm of IT, the only constant is change. New technologies are continually emerging and existing ones are evolving at a pace that's nothing short of remarkable. Today, we'll dive into some of the most prominent IT trends that are redefining the tech landscape. Firstly, let's talk about cloud computing. It is a technology that uses the internet and remote servers to store and manage data instead of using a personal computer or local server. This tech trend has revolutionized the way businesses operate by offering scalability, cost efficiency, and accessibility. As we move ahead, we can expect cloud computing to become more integrated and ubiquitous, with hybrid cloud solutions gaining prominence. Cloud storage, a subset of cloud computing, is another trend that's been on the rise. It offers a solution to the ever-increasing demand for data storage. With cloud storage, data is stored on remote servers that can be accessed via the internet. This technology not only eliminates the need for physical storage, but also ensures data safety through redundancy. Looking ahead, expect to see more innovative solutions in cloud storage, such as decentralized cloud storage, which offers enhanced security and privacy. Next up, artificial intelligence and machine learning. These twin technologies are not just trends, but a revolution in themselves. They're shaping our future by automating routine tasks, predicting patterns, and even mimicking human intelligence. The potential of AI and machine learning is vast, and its future looks promising. With advancements like AI-powered automation, predictive analytics, and more. Blockchain, often associated with cryptocurrencies, is another trend that's more than meets the eye. It is a decentralized and distributed ledger technology that ensures data integrity and security. While its impact on the financial sector has been profound, its potential extends far beyond. In the future, we might witness blockchain technology reshaping sectors like supply chain, healthcare, and even governance. These are just few examples of the IT trends that are transforming our world. Each one of them is revolving rapidly and has the potential to revolutionize various sectors. As we move forward, staying updated with these trends is not just essential, but imperative after all. In the ever-evolving world of IT, staying ahead of the curve is the key to success.
2.5 and 2.6 Issues and Challenges and Privacy.
What if the very tools designed to advance society became the biggest hurdles to progress? Welcome to the paradox of the current state of information technology. Consider this: the global digital population is now over 4.5 billion people. That's more than half of the world's population, all plugged into the World Wide Web. Sharing data, accessing information, and utilizing technology in ways we could have only dreamed of a couple of decades ago. But with this massive digital population comes a unique set of challenges. Take the case of cybersecurity, for example. The more we depend on digital technology, the more vulnerable we become to cyber threats. Look at the Yahoo data breach in 2016. where 3 billion user accounts were compromised. That's nearly two-thirds of the world's online population at the time, all exposed due to a single security flaw. And then there's the issue of data privacy. With the advent of big data and AI, companies now have access to enormous amounts of personal information. This is an issue that Facebook faced in a Cambridge Analytica scandal in 2018, where the data of 87 million users was harvested without their consent, leading to a global conversation about data rights and digital privacy. The rapid pace of technological change also poses a challenge for many. The speed of innovation can be overwhelming, leading to a digital divide. Just think about the elderly population struggling to keep up with the latest apps and devices, or the underprivileged communities who still lack basic internet access. On the other end of the spectrum, there's the issue of job displacement due to the automation. Many fear that as technology continues to evolve, jobs will become obsolete. According to a report by McKinsey, up to 800 million jobs could be automated by 2030. Lastly, there's the ethical dilemma posed by emergent technologies. Consider the controversy surrounding facial recognition technology. While it can be a powerful tool for law enforcement, it is also raises serious privacy concerns. In summary, the current state of information technology presents a unique set of challenges. Cybersecurity threats continue to grow, with our increasing reliance on digital technology. Data privacy has become a major concern. With the rise of big data and AI, the rapid pace of technological change is leading to a digital divide, and the fear of job displacement due to automation looms large. Finally, emerging technologies like facial recognitions are posing new ethical dilemmas. As we continue to navigate this digital age, it's crucial to address these challenges head-on, balancing the immense potential of technology with the need for security, privacy, accessibility, and ethical use. That's the paradox of progress and the challenge we face in the world of information technology.
Please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and click the bell button for our more upcoming videos.